Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of BlueDot, one of the most talked about AI note-taker platforms in 2026. This tool promises to turn your meetings, your calls, interviews, even in-person conversations into organized, AI-generated meeting notes, summaries, action items, and more, all without interrupting your workflow or even forcing a button to your calls. So in this video, we're going to break down everything from what BlueDot actually is, how it works, its core features, the pricing, the good and the bad, and to find out if BlueDot is the best AI note taker in 2026. Let's get started. BlueDot is an AI-powered meeting note taker built to record, to transcribe, and to summarize audio and video, whether it's online meetings or in-person conversations, without adding any bots or any extra participants to your calls. That means that it works in the background while you stay focused on the conversation. Pretty sleek. You can use BlueDot on virtually every major communication platform, from Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams to WebEx or even Slack huddles. And unlike some tools that require you to invite a bot into your meeting or give access to your calendar, BlueDot quietly captures audio and video through a Chrome extension or a dedicated app, so meetings don't get interrupted or look awkward when clients join. Here's the magic. After your meeting, BlueDot immediately delivers accurate transcripts, AI-generated summaries, key takeaways and action items, speaker insights, draft follow-up emails, searchable conversation history as well. It's designed to free you from manual note-taking, which helps teams stay aligned and lets you focus on what really matters in your calls rather than trying to type everything yourself. That alone is a huge time saver. So let us talk about the main features and details. Bot-free meeting capture. BlueDot doesn't join your calls like a bot. It just sits quietly in the background, capturing audio and video without disrupting the flow. That makes meetings feel more professional and natural for everyone involved. There's also a universal platform support. Yes, it integrates well with Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Chrome, WebEx, Slack huddles, phone calls, in-person recordings via mobile, Google Calendar, HubSpot, and lots more. So whether it's a remote call or a face-to-face interview, BlueDot has got you covered. Next, we have AI-generated transcripts and notes. After every meeting, BlueDot generates a full transcript and a clean summary with key points, next steps, decisions, and action items without you lifting a finger. Then there's customizable notes. You can adjust how the AI structures your notes using your own prompt or templates, whether you want high-level bullets or more detailed meeting summaries. CRM, sync, and integrations. BlueDot integrates with popular tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, Notion, Slack, Google Drive, and lots more, so your CRM or workspace stays automatically updated after every meeting. AI search and insights. It's not just about recording, it's about being able to search across all your transcripts and all your meetings. You can get speaker engagement insights, and you can even use AI to extract answers or insights from past conversations. Follow-up email drafts. One of my favorite features after your meeting is that BlueDot can generate follow-up email drafts in your style based on what was discussed. That's a huge productivity booster. And multilingual supports. Yes, BlueDot supports transcription in a couple of languages, over 100 actually, which makes it super useful for global teams or international calls. Now, let us talk about the pricing. There's a free plan, which is an ideal way to get started. It costs you $0, costs you nothing. Of course, there are some restrictions, but you can start with that. And if you're impressed, you can go on to subscribe to the basic plan at $14 per member per month, or the pro plan at $20 per member per month, or the business plan at $32 per member per month. Now that's the annual subscription plan. If you want to do a monthly one, the prices will go up. What are the pros and cons of using BlueDot? First, the pros. It's a bot-free recording platform. No awkward AI participants in the meetings. The transcription is highly accurate. There's cross-platform support from Zoom, Meet, Teams, WebEx, phone, and also in person. And automatic CRM updates. Multilingual support as well. Then the AI chat and search feature, where you can go back and find insights quickly. How about the cons? The free plan is very limited. And some advanced features require higher tiers like the CRM sync and the unlimited exports. So after looking at all of this, is BlueDot the best AI note taker in 2026? Well, I'd say yes, for several reasons. It solves a problem that most professionals face, which is manual note taking that distracts you from real conversation. It's also bot free, so that keeps meetings professional and natural. And it works across different platforms and across different devices. As it is here, you can download as a Chrome extension, as a desktop app, an iOS app, or as an Android app. Yes, it's not the cheapest on the market, but you get quality, reliability, and depth of features that many competitors just don't match right now. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Fellow, Otter AI, and Fireflies. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.